Hello, good afternoon. By the way, my name is Albert Iniga, applying for heavy equipments mechanic under Abdullah Al-Barak and Sons Group of Companies. I prefer to work as heavy equipments mechanic, Caterpillar, and in Japan engine. I graduated automotive technology, Negros Oriental State University. Now, I'm applying for the abroad just to have and gain and develop my skills and enhance my knowledge, continuing while working in abroad. I have experience Caterpillar, like this one, bulldozer. And also I am the maintenance of dump trucks, under chassis, replacing of bearings, troubleshooting of low power, overheating, and other problems of units. And these are one of my tenants, shopman. No? I have undergone with troubleshooting and analyze the technical problems of the equipments for the good condition of equipments. No? Maintaining lubrication, the proper maintenance, preventive maintenance also. Payloaders, SN, brand. These are my equipments that I have handled with these equipments. Troubleshooting of brake and also the under chassis. Aircon system also. I have the idea of aircon system also. And also I have experience Hitachi equipments, excavators, and to the other equipments of the project, rescue the equipments, no? Maintaining of electrical problems. So now I am applying for in abroad, working in abroad to adapt the high technology and continuing to develop my skills and enhance my knowledge for my job excellences and expertise. So I'm hoping for this opportunity, a very great opportunity for me to work within your company. Thank you very much and God bless. Bye-bye.